How to earn passive income on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn passive income on YouTube. So let's get started. You might have heard about YouTube and you're probably watching this video on YouTube as well. YouTube is an amazing video sharing platform with billions of users, and we can share videos on YouTube. We can create our own YouTube channel, and as you might know, we can make money on YouTube. YouTube allows its users and creators to make money, and we can make a fortune with YouTube. There are many YouTubers making their life income through YouTube, and they're making in millions. We can also make passive income using YouTube, and today I will show you how you can make money on YouTube, how you can make passive income. There are many ways we can make money on YouTube. It's not just making vlogs or making a YouTube video showing your face. That's what we will be covering today. I will show you how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face and without directly making videos on YouTube. So first of all, you will require a YouTube channel. Of course, you can go to youtube.com and you can create your own channel. Anytime you want to, just click on create channel here and you just add your name and upload an image and you just create your own channel. Then you also get your own YouTube studio. YouTube Studio allows us to create videos, add videos. We can add description in our videos, and that's where we make money. So first of all, we directly make money on YouTube through our YouTube monetization. You can monetize your YouTube channel. We monetize our YouTube channel with Google AdSense, and YouTube pays you for your views. You can monetize your channel once you have a certain number of followers and a certain watch time. Once you complete it, you can monetize your channel and then you make money. You can run ads on your YouTube videos and it helps you make money. So we can make in hundreds of dollars. It depends on your video as well, what CPM you're actually getting from the video, how many views you're getting. So if your video does well and you get views in like Ks, then you can actually make a good amount of money on YouTube monthly. It's not like just one time, it's going to be monthly. How many views you get monthly, you will just get paid for it. So you can monetize your YouTube channel anytime you want to and start making money. Another way we make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. What I want you guys to do is simply become an affiliate. You can go to any of the affiliate marketing platforms. There are many out there. I simply use warriorplus.com. There's ClickBank. There are others as well. For CPA marketing, you can go to CPA Grip. And now you can simply, sign up for any of these platforms. The signing up process is completely free, and it's also really easy. You can sign up with your Google account. You can see right here, I can just sign in. Once you sign up or sign in to your affiliate marketing platform, then we can choose from different products and we can start doing affiliate marketing. How affiliate marketing works is that we get our own affiliate link and we have different offers, right? We have a product that we need to promote and we use YouTube for promotion. It's one of the easiest and best ways to do affiliate marketing. How we do that? For example, the kind of affiliate marketing we do is that we review softwares. Okay, so I can select a software and then I can make a video just like this on that software. I'm not showing my face, I'm not doing anything, I'm just reviewing that software, and after that we add the link in the description of that video, right? Of that software, our affiliate link, because we get a link with our affiliate product with our affiliate software. So I will just add the link in my description, and while making a video, we have different call to action and we ask our subscribers to click on the link and get to that platform. We teach them how they can make a video using Canva, how they can do affiliate marketing on this platform, how they can write their content using Writer. And then we say that, you can click on the link given in the description. People click on the link and they sign up for that, and they simply sign up for that platform and we make money as an affiliate. So that's how we make money on through affiliate marketing using YouTube, and it's actually one of the best ways to make money, easiest way, completely free with zero investment, because we don't need money to create a YouTube channel, and we don't need money to invest into these different offers available. So what I can do now is I can do affiliate marketing, and with affiliate marketing, I will be making thousands of dollars. This is true. We earn hundreds to thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and YouTube will help us earn our passive income. We can make this our passive income, and we can make money. Similarly, when it comes to creating videos on YouTube, if you don't want to review a product, you can create a product review video. You can create a video related to that product. Let's say that when it comes to affiliate products and affiliate options, we have different niches. If I take you to another affiliate platform that I have, Digistore24, then I will be able to show you the categories. So this is digistore24.com. It is also an online platform for affiliate marketing and digital store. Here you can check different categories available for different affiliate products. So we have animals and pets, we have digital products, business investment, dance and music, education, email marketing, fashion, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and funds, home and garden, and languages, services, social media, software, sports, survival, and trading products. So if I go to softwares right here, now I know this is what we do. We have different softwares here, and I can create a review video, like a tutorial video. For example, I don't want to create this. I can go to fitness and health right here, and now my product is fitness related. Now I need to create a video on YouTube according fitness related, and I will add the link in the description. One thing. Second thing, I can also review the product in the video. How we can create such videos and from where we're gonna get the footage. So you can go to pexels.com. It is a completely free platform that gives you stock footage, and I can explore Pexels, and I can get pictures and videos from here. Let's say that I want to create a fitness related video on YouTube, so I want fitness related footage. So what I will do is I will just search for fitness, and it will give me hundreds of different images, photos and videos. Like you can see thousands of different photos and videos. Now I can just select this image from here, this image, and I can create this video adding these, combining these images. These are completely free. This is a stock footage. Similarly, I can go to a video option here, and I will be able to get a lot of different videos, and I can just create a video using Canva, using Adobe, any editing tool you want to use, even TikTok. Like you can combine these videos and you can create a video for YouTube. You can see right here, we can create YouTube shorts very easily. And then I can just use these different footage to create a video for YouTube without showing my face. And then I will add the link in the description, the product link that I have. And I will just simply, add this product link. And with this product link, I will be earning up to 85% commission. You can see on Digistore24, we actually have high ticket affiliate marketing. And you can see right here, we have 90% commission, 90% commission, $5 commission. Like you will be earning $5 no matter what the sale. So with each sale, you will be making $40, $50. And if you have a YouTube channel, you have followers, you get the links. For example, if you're making $100 a sale, or let's say that you're making $50 a sale, so with 100 clicks, you will be making a lot of money. So that is how it works. And you will be making, even if you get like 10 clicks, then you will be making $500. So that is how we make hundreds to thousands of dollars on YouTube, not directly from YouTube monetization, but with YouTube affiliate marketing, using YouTube, doing promotion. This is the way we make passive income on YouTube, and it's one of the effective ways. That is why I wanted to show you guys that how we can make passive income on YouTube. Of course, the first way is going to be monetizing your YouTube channel and creating videos for YouTube. You will be making passive, like even if you do not show your face, you're making these kind of videos. You're adding the link in the description, and you're making money through affiliate marketing plus you're making money through YouTube. So that's like double money, and you're making good income through YouTube. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make passive income using YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.